Hi, hello, namaste, adab, assalamu alaikum, sat shri akal. Welcome to Gusto Rater. I'm gonna give you some interesting updates about YouTube community around the world. Before going into video, I'm gonna say thank you for subscribing this channel and watching the videos. So more than 50% people who watch this video has not been subscribed to channel, guys. So please subscribe the channel and watch the full video. So let's dive into the updates. The first update is about ban on China apps again. Government of India banned 43 apps of China. Among that, AliExpress, Snack Video and VTV are pretty famous apps were mentioned. And regarding that, Flying Beast, a famous YouTuber, a top vlogger in India, posted in his Twitter saying 43 more apps banned by central government and also posted 43 apps list. So spread the word and uninstall those apps. The next update is about MEV Bandai. MEV Bandai is an Indian rapper who recently completed 13 million subscribers and achieved 100 million views for music video Giraftar, and it was his fifth song to complete 100 million views. To watch the video, link is in the description. The next update is about PUBG Mobile. For the gamers, now PUBG is officially registered in India, named the company as PUBG India Private Limited. Regarding that, Ghatak Gaming, a YouTuber, posted in his Twitter saying PUBG India Private Limited is now registered company in India, and he also posted a few days ago a big update about PUBG. That's eSport PUBG Mobile announced $14 million prize pool for 2021. In Indian currency, it's approximately more than 100 crores. Wow! So guys, make your squad, get ready for the game, and if you win the game, you could become overnight millionaire legally. The next update is about Mumbai Ka Nikhil. Mumbai Ka Nikhil, a YouTuber who do travel vlogs and also do vlogging mostly about him, made a music video with Shana Shrestha, was featured in Vaila Digi channel, and the video was trending in first place for few hours. And Nikhil posted thank you pic for the support, and the video is still doing great, and it also trending in Ghana too. To watch the video, link is in description. The next update is about A to Z Tech Tamil. There is an interesting update is that this channel was started 3 years ago and now it's completed 20,000 subscribers. So regarding this, it tweeted as finally 20k subscribers reached after 3 years. Never ever give up. So great to be having patience for that long period, bro. Congrats to A to Z Tech Tamil. The next update is about Tanya Khanijo. She's an adventure solo vlogger, just gave TED talk. She felt fun, enjoyed and posted pics on her Instagram stories regarding that. And the next update is about Scout, an Indian PUBG mobile gamer, reacted to Dr. Disrespect, who is a PUBG PC gamer from USA, made a disrespectful comments on mobile gamers in a tweet saying, I have got 3 state-of-art 1ms speed color collaborated monitors staring at me, a keyboard with Titan switch optical keystrokes and a mouse that weighs literally nothing, backed by a 200k multi-PC setup, and you have guts to tell me mobile gaming is so serious thing? Literally he's saying that mobile gamers not good when compared to PC gamers. Then Scout replied in a tweet saying, we are gamers, it doesn't matter on what platform we play on, we have the same emotions, same energy, same passion, but taunting other gamers cause of the platform they play on is not acceptable. Dr. Disrespect, not everyone can afford expensive gaming setups, and said, sometimes I get confused whether it's his character doing the tweet or he himself is. Then regarding that, Mortal, an Indian gamer, replied to Dr. Disrespect saying, hey doc, with all due respect, competition exists everywhere, PC, console or mobile. What matters is the will to compete. OMG, this war will go on, as Dr. Disrespect do this type of comments always. So let's talk about some international updates. The update is about How Ridiculous. It's an Australian YouTube channel with more than 6 million subscribers. It started with 4 members team in Perth at DNA Towers and Narrowbridge, Western Australia, and recently completed 1 billion views. That is exactly 100 crore views in this channel, and is completed 11 years journey in YouTube, and discussed about their second video of their channel which was posted 10 years ago, a shot of a basket goal from such a distance, and hence asked to complete 100k views in a post in Instagram stories saying, this was our second ever YouTube video, and swipe up to watch and get this bad boy to 100,000 views, and hence mission accomplished. Finally, viewers of the channel watched that video and completed 100,000 views. To watch this video, link is in the description. The next update is about Jake Paul, a famous YouTuber, pro boxer and musical artist, brother of Logan Paul, with over 20 million subscribers, has been waiting for the most awaited boxing match with a famous boxing champ and recently created YouTuber Nate Robinson. Jake Paul is officially playing under the card of the legend Mike Tyson to compete with Nate Robinson on November 28 at 9 p.m. according to American timings. So let's watch who wins the match, and the whole American YouTubers are eagerly waiting for this anticipated match. So I'm going to give you some more updates about this match in the next video soon. The next update is about PewDiePie. PewDiePie is the first individual YouTuber to cross 100 million subscribers in YouTube, from US based and KSI with over 20 million subscribers, and the first person to get 2 diamond play buttons in YouTube from UK based. made a collab video in PewDiePie's channel. By reviewing the news in that video, they tried to play a song in comic way, which was successful, and the song wasn't played well. Then the music owner raised a claim against PewDiePie because it's an infringement. Then PewDiePie responded in his Insta stories saying action.
I appealed it, obviously, because it's bullshit. Like, why? And they rejected it. This is actually infringing on copyright according to this company. So all the revenue now goes to this company for the entire video.
Watch the full video, links in the description. So that's it for today, guys. Stay tuned to Gusto Rater. Please like and share the video, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Thank you.